If you'd like to see another one with Venn diagrams, I'll show you one now. So this time I'm factorising 10 PM and M. Alright, factors of 10 PM will be 10 and P and M. There goes my tree getting some branches. 10 can be broken up into 2 and 5. So these are the 4 factors that multiply together to give 10 PM. M, well, I know M's a factor. There is nothing else that I'm able to pull out of that M quickly in terms of a large number, but we know that any number multiplied by 1 is itself. So I'm just going to create a tree with M and 1, and that's going to be very helpful for us in a minute. Okay, let's set up our Venn diagram now. Plenty of room in that overlap. First, what's common and what goes inside that overlap, and that's going to be the number that sits outside of our brackets. Common to both is M, so that takes care of those ones. Left over on our left, we've got 2 by 5. You could write 10 if you want to, I'll write them separately. 2, 5 and P. Over here you can see why a tree is so important. We need a 1. We don't want to accidentally say 0, there's nothing left, because 0 by M is definitely not M. So we need that 1. Okay, now into our factorising. The common factor is M, so that sits out the front. And if I look to the left, 2 by 5 is 10p, and over here is a 1, and it was subtraction to begin with, it's subtraction to the end. I'm just going to write it without all my red scribble, so this is what you should have at the end. M outside of 10p, take 1. And if I wanted to check is that right, I could expand it. 10 by MP does give me 10 PM or MP. M by 1 does give me M. So one lot of M is M, and subtraction, subtraction. So I know that I'm correct. If you choose to do it more quickly, again you say M is common to both, and left within the brackets will be 10 and P. And I don't put a 0 like there's nothing left, I put a 1 because M multiplied by 1 gives M. Either way works. You may find you use the long way for a while and then you get snappier and you can move to the faster method. Completely up to you. Just choose a method that makes sense and make sure that you stay accurate as you go along.